Hi, welcome to Chop It Up. I am ROXX-A-MILLION. Remember, thoughts become things, so let's just choose good ones. So I want to discuss with y'all, February 28th is a national blackout. So black folk and brown folk will not be spending money in the United States Trump economy on the 28th of this month. So everything that we need to do and everything we need to buy and spend, let's get that done before the 28th. Today I'm going to be creating a French delicacy. I'm going to be making flounder a la crab Newburg. So let's get in the kitchen and make that happen. Okay, so for the Newburg part, the crab Newburg, I'm going to be using crab claw meat, diced bell peppers, diced onions, fresh chopped parsley, garlic. I have black pepper, garlic powder, cayenne, paprika, as well as some Old Bay. We're going to be making the mashed potatoes, and this will make the sauce, which is heavy whipping cream, the garlic, and I'm going to use the olive oil to melt the butter, keep the butter from burning, and to thicken the sauce, to tighten it up, I'm going to be using a little cornstarch. So I'm going to go over here and make the egg wash and start frying. I have some Pacific wild caught flounder, and I'm going to be seasoning it with some Old Bay, some cayenne. No, this is paprika, sorry. Cayenne. Garlic powder. As well as black pepper. I'm gonna give it a mix. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to let this marinate overnight. And I'm going to fry this in a batter. And I'm going to top it with some crab a la Newburg. That's going to be the dish that is going to be made with this. So I'm going to, see, it's, I put enough seasoning on there for it to cover all the fish. And I'm just going to let this sit in the refrigerator overnight. So when we come back, we'll be making flounder crab a la Newburg. This is the flounder I let marinate, and I'm going to put it in an egg wash. Y'all know eggs high right now, boy. Egg wash come very expensive these days. And I'm going to dust it with, this is some fish fry Zatarans. And I'm going to fry this down in some vegetable oil. I'm doing this for each piece and to get it in the pan. Now I'm going to get the fish down in the oil. So we're going to let that cook until they start to float up. Because once they get done, they'll float, they'll get a little lift to them. Okay, so the fish has been frying for about 7 minutes. And it is done. So I'm going to take them out. You can see they, like I said, they'll be floating a little bit. They're a little higher in the water, in the oil. In the water, y'all. This tongue might be a little small. That came off good. When it float up in the oil, that means that the fish is done. Okay, so I'm about to start making the Newburg sauce. I have some olive oil in the pan. It's already hot. And I'm going to add the butter. The olive oil keeps the butter from burning. To let it melt smoothly. While that's doing that, I'm going to add the onions. And we're going to saute those down so they become clear. The bell pepper. Fresh parsley. And I'm going to add the garlic. I turn the heat down on the garlic because you don't want the garlic to burn, because if garlic burns, it gets bitter. I'm going to cover this and let it sweat. And we'll check back on it in about 7 minutes. Okay, I'm adding in the crab meat. Black pepper, the garlic powder, Old Bay, Cayenne, Paprika, one cup of heavy whipping cream. And get this all happy marinated in here together. We'll bring this Newburg sauce to completion. I wish we had smell-o-vision, y'all. That smells so good. A few minutes for these flavors to come together. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, the Newburg sauce is complete. In a traditional Newburg sauce, it will have some white wine or some cognac, and if I'm gonna use cognac, it's gonna be in my glass. If this is too loose for you or you want it thicker, you can add a teaspoon of the cornstarch or leave it like it is. If you need to stretch it more, you could put more cream. So right now, everything is done. We're gonna plate it and give it a taste. So I'll see y'all back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Got the mashed potato, got the fish sitting on top of it. Got a little lemon twist on it. Sit that over there. So it's got a little kick to it. We like our spicy, but delicious. All the flavor profile is there. It's good. You can see the crab meat. Oh yeah, it's really good. Y'all mess around. I've been turning this to a mukbang. Ain't that what you saying? Baby. That fish flaky. That's that flounder with the batter on it. The mashed potatoes. It tastes real good. Remember, y'all, February 28th, don't spend no money. And as I always tell my millionaires, I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. And now I'm finna handle the business with this plate.